Well, hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my last unboxing being a member of the Color Rush Studio design team. I have given up all my design teams. Work-life balance just can't do it. So we got one more month, two projects and one unboxing. So I did look at it. It is June 29th, so normally I get way more time to prepare for July layouts. I'm actually already done with all July and I've been working on August. So we're gonna have two more projects for June, July, whatever. All right. Always comes with gorgeous black and white tissue paper. And this is a very patriotic one, which I love. I will scooch in just a smidge more as soon as we get all of this stuff out of here. Okay. So I do wish good luck to the upcoming design team members. It's a fabulous company to work for, and if you guys haven't bought anything, you should. Use my code one more month. Okay, so we have got, okay. All right, so we've got Simple Stories, Pack Your Bags. We've got this one right here with some luggage, and then the hearts. And then we've got one sheet of the tags. So very, very cute. We have two sheets of the cut aparts. So they're the cut aparts. And then the back side of that is very cute little hearts. And then we have two sheets of this sheet, which is a very yellow map because it's a travel collection. Right. Oh, goodness. And the back side of that one is this beautiful floral. I've already used this collection once. Then we have one sheet of this with tags on the back. All right. And now we've got, all right. So let me see. All right, we have got two sheets. I have four sheets of this actually. So this beautiful floral here. Lots of fussy cotton gonna go on, and then the back side of that I have two sheets of this blue pinstripe, and then I gotta make sure that I'm showing you everything in the right order. Okay, so we have two sheets of this. So it's a single sheet of a red check, and then the back side of that is this boogie board. And we have two sheets of this. Very, very vintage. New York, little writing. I like that one. I really like that one. And then on the back side of that, you have this diagonal, which is making my eyes go a wonk-a-donk. We have, I'm making a hot mess here. We have one sheet of this, beautiful florals, and then a red and white stripe. We have two sheets of this. I love the ripped, torn pieces in there. On the back side of that is some fun stars, and then we have one sheet with the waves and some seaside vibes. So a lot of that I will save for cruise, so you will not see me create with it this month. We do have some Color Rush Studio ephemera bits. We have some bits and pieces, cork with the surfboards, some travel and wood veneer. We have the Pack Your Bags page pieces, some more Sea Life wood veneer, some fun pops, a little package of blue sequins, gorgeous red, white, and blue ribbons, some of the fun fun little squishy stars I like. And then Sticko blue stickers. And that's it for our unboxing. Oh my god, I cannot wait to create some fun layouts with this. So please stay tuned. Most likely you're going to see me really bust this kit out in August. I know, right? That's kind of sad, but I have a cruise that we're going on and this would be perfect for that. So maybe I won't put pictures in. I got to think this through on how I want to do this. But I want to thank you guys so much. Head to the shop, pick yourself up some of these things a la carte. There's also enamel bits and bobs. And so thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Check out Color Rush Studio and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.